Good morning. This is Sherrie with BrokenLegVinyl.com. Just doing a quick video to show you how to stack text. So I'm going to start with a text box and I need a word. I don't know what word, so I'm just going to say smile. And it is better if you use all caps so you don't have letters hanging down. The key to this style is to have your letters the same size. So I'm going to add color um, to this so we can see it better. And I'm going to change the line color as well because I don't like seeing the red lines. Okay, go to my text panel over here on the right, and we need to size it. So since it's just one word, we're going to go up to about size 100 on the font for right now. And Impact is a font that is really good for doing this style because the letters are about the same size. So I'm going to look for Impact. Yes, I could type it, but there's one around it that I like as well. I don't know where it is. Okay, Impact. See, Impact is nice. Okay, I don't like how it smushed it, but it'll work fine. So that's going to be our starting text, and I'm going to actually move it up. Let's try 120. That's about an inch and a half. That's probably about right. An inch and a half. Okay, now since the letters are so close together, let's go down to character spacing down here at the bottom. And let's just increase it so we can get some space in between those letters. That's 110, 115, 120. I think 120 is perfect, so we're going to go with that. I love that character spacing. Okay, so smile is our word. So you want to duplicate the word, and you're going to stack them, okay? But you have to cut them off when you stack them. And we're going to remove the fill. So let me change the line color to black and remove the fill color, okay? And then you could thicken up your lines over here. This is called line style, and it says thickness, and I like to go to about 1.5. You see that getting darker? Okay, so I like doing that a lot. So we've got smile here, and you're just going to cut it where it looks good. So we duplicated this one, and I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use this one because you have to pay attention to where the letters, where they meet, where they change. So for example, if you cut across this, are you going to be able to tell, let me get rid of my knife, are you going to be able to tell that that says smile when I put it up here? So you need to get a little bit more of the M to get it to work. So you have to plan what you're going to do. And it's really that easy. I'm just undoing so I can use that again. Yes, it's one piece again. So I use the grid lines and I look at it and I look at what's going to work for top and bottom. And honestly, with the word smile, cutting it directly in half is probably our best bet. So I use the line to line it up for me, get out my knife tool, and I just go straight across with my knife tool. Okay, and then you have to use the selection again. And then I'm going to group the top. So I highlight it and I make sure those points in the M are selected and I group it. And then I'm going to group the bottom. Perfect. So we're actually ready to line this up. Okay, so you just put them where you want them. And you could space them a little bit or have them right up close to each other. I like them up close. So highlight all three and then go to this picket fence, which is the transform panel. And you want them centered vertically, I believe it is. Nope. Undo. Horizontally. Watch what they do. They adjust a little bit so they're all in line. So then you could duplicate this one and put it on top, as many times as you want. Duplicate the bottom one, put it on the bottom, and it's that easy. And then highlight all of them again, and then in your transform panel, go to horizontal, and you're going to align them together, and it's ready to go. That's it. And you can also, stretch it to make it bigger so that it would fit on an adult size shirt. But that's it, you guys. It's that easy. If you need help, feel free to make a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Make a comment. I'm happy to explain further. Like I said, this was a quick video of stacked text, and I love the look. Enjoy. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much.